Mheshimiwa wangu ligoreke ukiwa governor county ya Kisii.
Yes, I am running for governor of Kisii County. I gonna ale go boli mwanya getinge that I think. Esena ikire in my politics and in my management capacity kera in Alia Senate you are just nearly like a manager. I think omugusiange an opportunity I will do an excellent job. Why? Number one, talibesa ngo chikulia. They can check my record. I was an MP for 12 years. I didn't have a single audit query. Why? Ebe sa yechi project again to ale okora ma de bintu mbire nkora kwana na TV ga abantu bansekera de lichale ringiri okwana. Ebe se eri ogosuna no ruembe. Tali okobogoli egesire. Chombe tubwate jigwake gesiro obutura akubutura omugomba obutura litoka linyene obutura na masabo obogoli bichimunyimu. Ebintu ebyo ogochuti no ruembe gwatigero nonde. So me governor, I go over the bintu this corruption and the nonsensical treatment of county workers. Abantu insurance here koera abantu bakobeke insurance company ere fake. Ya ego 250 million ekereba akanirwe company yama yakoba wound up. I mean, kwame yakonyole company ne ya Ruto. You see those are the things. Bintu na bigere the simba akwamete ta go story.
And maybe lastly, Mheshimiwa, what is your relationship with the aspiring governor Ezekiel Machogu?
Machogu is my friend. Okay. I respect him. I was with him before Konyoatarabu Mujumbe, Agachakabu Mujumbe, when he was a minister. Ntokole tigas monitoro jire no alenga UDA. Ando maidekera bantu bale serikali bakora nakingo nkomachikuwera buyanga zajinde kera kwa bere serikali konya abantu. Kera kwa rusiwo na bego koma. But we became friends. He's a good man. But what I have said, na ndege ntekitu akagambira na ba Fred na babo Mheshimiwa Mingo Magara. Abantu bago decide ngokulikichukura ne voter. I don't want anybody to ask me again. Nganchi como support ngairobo governor nganchi tigambere usende tekero ndeta yogombinga ngobo governor obone ekerebo ina support rio monto eraire nkoboli na ki. Let us use logic. Why do you think I've done well as a senator? It is because you are good at your office. So if I'm good, why don't you take me to an office where I'm good? Why are you telling me that I'm not good enough to be governor, but to be a senator, I'm okay?
Right.
Number two, I don't think there's anybody who's more qualified than me. Well educated. I've been an assistant minister. I speak Kiswahili negesongo nechiruga chinde. I am reasonable. Very reasonable. Wana no ligeria. Woli no na banta ba utuliri kurwa. Na bago they am very reasonable. Timbwati hate kuchie sonde. Tindi kongora na mwana siasa onde bwenzi. Na aba gusiba lesko gaiga. Sincerely speaking, I can tell you, I am shocked at the support and the encouragement umugusiako ngokuli governor. And I'm not looking for governor because I hate Simba.
Okay.
No, I just think he do not honor his obligations and is not qualified to do that job.
Right.
That's my argument.
Right.